Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add sub-items in Monday.com. First, open the board where you want to add sub-items. Find the item or task you want to break down further, and click the small arrow icon to the left of the item name. This arrow expands the item. Then click Add Sub-Item from the menu that appears. Type your desired sub-item name, then hit Enter. Once a sub-item is created, it will appear right below the parent item. You can edit the sub-items columns like status, date, owner, and etc. independently from the parent item. All sub-items on a board share the same column structure. If you want to copy parent item columns into your sub-items to save time, open a sub-item, click the plus sign next to the last column, choose Copy Parent Columns. Select the columns you'd like, then click Copy Columns. This clones the layout but doesn't link the data. And that's how you add sub-items in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.